Hey guys, it's your girl Key and I am in Costa Rica, y'all. I'm all the way in Costa Rica on a solo trip. I'm going to try my best to vlog this experience, so follow along with me. So I never realized how hard vlogging was until I actually started having to vlog. So I'm walking to the pool. Sun is glowing. I'm clearly sweating bullets, but I'm excited. Let me show y'all what the pool looks like. I'm walking to the pool area. I want to go with black people at, but you know, I also don't. Hey guys, good morning. It is day 2 of Costa Rica. I just woke up. I feel so relaxed. I have a trip to the volcano this morning, so follow along. Okay guys, so this side is the Caribbean side and then over there is the Pacific. Alright guys, if you guys know me, you know that I've never been hiking. But today that changes. In Costa Rica, I am going hiking and I'm going over some hanging bridges. So I also am super afraid of heights. Like I start laughing out of control because I am super nervous. So pray for me, y'all.
No, really. They look like so cute. Like
They do look like kids.
Happy birthday.
All right.
you today on the right, on half bridge to the right hand side.
Alright, I'm vlogging. About to go on the first hanging bridge. Wish me luck. Shit is moving, bitch. It's moving, y'all. Holy crap. This shit is moving. Oh my god, y'all. probably should be holding on, but I'm vlogging for the sake of this. I'm not gonna look down, but I'm about to show y'all the volcano. It's over there. It's the more I get, you can see the volcano. I'm about to shit my pants. I'm fucking scared. And I'm all the way in the back. I'm recording so that if I die, oh no. I'm not looking down because I'm scared shitless. But yeah, vlogging this experience, y'all. Alright guys, so I made it over that first bridge, barely, and now there is another one, and it doesn't look as secure as the first one, so bear with me. Alright guys, good morning. It is day 3 of me in Costa Rica on my solo trip, and I'm going to get breakfast. I have an excursion at 8:30. It's now 7:30, so I have about 30 minutes. It doesn't take long to eat. And yeah, come with me on today's journey. I'm in the breakfast place. I haven't been here. When I had breakfast yesterday, they have like a breakfast place in the morning in the lobby. This one is so much better. Hey, how are you? Alright guys, it's me, and I had to stop this video really quick. I had to share my experience because that's what I'm doing with the solo travel. So I'm not just solo traveling as a black woman. I'm solo traveling as a plus size black woman. And like, what is the difference between that? Because for me as a plus size woman, there are so many things that normal travelers don't have to consider. And I felt like it was important for me to stop this video and tell you guys my experiences. So usually when I'm traveling, things that may bring me anxiety because I'm plus size, it's something as small as the first moment I hop on a plane. Sometimes when you hop on a plane, the seatbelt may not fit depending on the airline. And that's something that I've had to deal with in the past. And I've honestly been in a space where I would rather have died than ask for a seatbelt extender. That is my reality. But thankfully, Delta Airlines is amazing, and I don't have to worry about that. I feel super inclusive, being that I'm plus size. Another thing that I have to worry about is when I enter the air, when I take a shower. So when I take a shower, I don't usually pack my own towels, but most of the towels don't fit me. So that was something that, like, every time I travel, I'm just like, it won't fit me. But I never bother to like pack my own towel, even though I know that's a thing. However, at the Rue in Costa Rica, the towels fit me perfectly fine, and I feel so comfortable. So that's something that I'm like, okay, this is amazing. So far so great as a plus size black solo traveler. But there comes a time where this luxury stops. And for me, that experience happened just now. So I can't go zip lining because I am overweight. And while I was super nervous to zip line, it still was heartbreaking to know that I can't do this because of my weight. However, the place where I'm at, Diamante Adventure Park, they are super understanding of that, and they gave me another option, so I will be going ATV riding in place of that. But it's still like heartbreaking to know that I can't experience something because I'm plus size. But those are the 3 things that I want to point out so far when it comes to plus size traveling alone. And yeah, so thank you, and stay tuned for the rest of this vlog. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm on the beach. Those are the ATVs that I took here to get to the beach, which is really dope. I did not expect this when I went ATVing. Like, we went up, like, you know, the normal dirt paths that people normally do when they go ATVing. And then he took us into town, which was really like, okay, this is really cool. And then he took us on the beach. So this is the beach, and it's crazy because like my hotel, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's like all the way down there, and like that's the beach. Like over there is like the access that I have, so I'm definitely gonna check it out later in this week because it's like so beautiful. But this time, you see that melanin, baby boy? Man, I'm so excited.